Welcome everyone to the numerical point, and this is OQD number 2, and topic is surface tension and level 1, question number 2. Let's get started. The question reads like, the pressure inside a soap bubble of 50 mm dia is 25 Newton per meter square above the atmospheric pressure. The surface tension in soap film would be. Okay, so guys, let's suppose this is the soap bubble. Okay, the dia is given 50 mm. In meter we can write 0.005 0.50 meter. Okay, and the inside pressure, that is Pi. Let's suppose inside pressure is Pi, outside pressure is Po. So inside pressure is what is 25 Newton per meter square above the atmospheric pressure. The outside pressure is P80m because it is exposed to our atmosphere, and the inside pressure is Pi. So it is given Pi minus Po, that is P atmosphere, is equal to 25 Newton per meter square. Okay, from Young's Laplace equation we can know Pi minus Po. In case of a soap bubble, it will be 8 sigma by d. Okay, this is Young's Laplace equation. Okay, in the question the Pi minus Po value is given, and I want to know the sigma value. D is given, so Pi minus Po is 25 is equal to 8 into sigma by the diameter, that is 0.050. so from here we can find out the sigma. Okay, sigma will be 25 into 0.050 divided by 8. Okay, the answer will be 0.15625, and the unit will be Newton per meter. So this is the answer for today's question. Okay, so we can say the surface tension in soap film will be 0.15625 Newton per meter. Okay guys, this is all for today. Let's meet in the next question.